unboxing and install of a PD USB-C socket for 12 volt. If you are like me, I made a box that kind of does everything for me, and now they made new technology to where I need one that charges a little bit faster. And the one I put in there is only a couple months old, and then they came out with this finally, about 12 bucks. If you guys want to read this, pause it, screenshot it, and then look at your screenshots. Looking for a fast charge? That ain't even in English. Comes with 2 fuses. That's pretty nice. I don't know where the fuses go. Oh, fuses go on the inline setup that they give you. Pretty nice. It comes with wires. I already have mine wired to 2 spade terminals that are on here. That one is the positive, being the silver, and the gold is the negative. It also is marked on there. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. It is plastic, so when you are tightening it down, make sure you don't over tighten it, because it is only plastic. It's got a nice lid. If you don't want the lid, you can actually take the lid down. You see how that's coming down? I'm gonna turn on the light. Hopefully it's not too bright. I want the lid on there. Don't know why. It says it's 65 watt on the top, and I think the bottom is 18 watt on and off. A lot of reviews do say that the USB-C stays on all the time. We're going to test that. And yeah, the cord's nice. Looks like I'm not going to take the cord out. Normally I do everything on an unboxing. I'm sure them 2 fuses go right in there, but I'm not using this, so I don't need that. So let's switch over to installing it. Let's install this. Whoa, it just went flying out of there clear across my room. And I only have 20% battery on this GoPro, so I'm trying to get this done. Oh, now you want to stay on? So I got this strap because it never wants to stay hooked. So this is where I'm applying it. I got an older version right here. It says QC 3.0. It doesn't quick charge or nothing. Just gonna replace it. I think I need the light for you guys. This is my wild contraption. I'm gonna kill my power to the whole top. That way nothing's working. I'm gonna replace it, see if it works. I need to replace that one right there. I'm gonna pull my positive wire off, which is marked as red, and my ground negative, which is properly marked black. The old ring just pops right off. The old one just pulls right out. Give that to somebody in need, or keep it as a backup, I guess. I don't know if this quite works or not. Hopefully they're still on the same side, so I don't have to have this upside down. So positive is going to be, let's just install it, see what it does. I want to install it going down. So the button's on the right. Push that right in. Lid works good. Put your ring on first. And it looks like they switched me sides. The negative is now on the opposite side. Gonna tighten that ring all the way. I normally use pliers, but I think it'll hold with just my man strength. Is it coming out? Better check my wiring every now and then. Okay, that's pretty tight. So negative is now on the opposite side, so now I gotta put the positive on that side. And negative is just gonna simply go on the opposite side. And I put my other wires in between. That way, in case these pop off, maybe this will help hold it in a little bit, because that wire isn't looking so good. So now we flip it over. That was that install. Gonna resupply the power to it. Yep, wrong button. There we go. It didn't blow a fuse, so it must work, right? Now shut this off. So I am told that the USB-C works even though you don't have it turned on. Let's try that out. Plugged in the USB-C. The best way is to just use my phone. And it is not powered on. It would have popped up or something. So let's go ahead and pop in the USB 3.0 on the USB-A. Nothing. That's good. Do we even have power? Okay, we do. I'm gonna hit the button to power it on. Lights up a nice blue. Let's see if it quick charge, fast charge, super fast charge. What's it gonna do? And it came up with fast charging, which is not 65 watt. You see that? Fast charging. I'm gonna unplug it. Plug in the other one, see if it says it's fast charging. It's supposed to be 18 watt. It comes up as fast charging. It's still faster than what I had. Fast charging is still faster than charging. So let's go ahead and plug in the USB-C. Maybe it was having an error. Nope, still just comes up with fast charging, which is fine, I guess, but it's not 65 watt as advertised on itself. It actually says 65 watt on itself. And then when I power that off, let's flip the cord around, see if it makes a difference. And it's just coming up fast charging. So if you guys are looking for a fast charger, I still have not found it, because that is, I want super fast charging. That's only fast charging. And I'll do a test on the Steam Deck because it's a pretty good candidate for fast charging. We'll see how it does. Thanks for watching.